Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to just quickly run through getting your online survey study set up in Sonar so that credit can be automatically provided to the participants. So let's log in and let's find our study. So here I've got my study that I want to set up. So I'm just going to go on study info. Now, there are 3 steps to follow. So first of all, we need to, number 1, we need to make sure that the web address in Sonar is correct. Now, you might have already set this up when you first set the study up, and if you did, that's fine, but in case you didn't, and it might be good just to check, go study menu and change study information, and then scroll down into the advanced settings, and where it says study URL, make sure that, so what you do, so let's say you had nothing here, study URL. All you need to do is go into your Qualtrics survey, go on distributions, get your anonymous survey link, copy that, paste that into this spot, and importantly, at the end of the link here, you need to write question mark equals ID. Now, importantly, ID has to be in lowercase. So question mark equals ID, and then you have percentage survey in capitals underscore code percentage, just like that. So you just add that little bit to the end of your survey. Once you've done that, just go save changes. Okay, so that's step 1 done. Now, step 2 is to go into Qualtrics, and we want to set it up so that the Qualtrics survey will redirect back to Sonar once the participants have finished doing the survey. So go onto our survey, and we set this up under survey options on your Qualtrics survey. And you can see under the survey termination, so at the end of the survey, we want to redirect it, right, back to Sonar. So click on redirect, and you'll see we need a web page to put there. Okay, so let's go back to Sonar, and notice in Sonar for your study there's Qualtrics Redirect to a URL. Well, just get that, click on it, it'll highlight, and then copy it and paste it. Like that, and then just copied it, so I'm just going to Control V, paste it in. Now you'll note that when it pastes this in, it has a bit of a funny thing at the end with this field /ID type stuff. Okay, that's okay. So you just, once you pasted it, just click save. Okay. And that's because you'll notice that back in Sonar it has this other, it looks a bit different, but that's all okay. Then that's the second thing done. The third and final thing is in your Qualtrics survey, we have to add a little thing to the end of the survey flow. So you click on survey flow, and yours might look a bit different to this depending on how you've set your survey up. It doesn't matter how your survey looks. All you need to do is just at the very end of your survey, click on add a new element, and you choose embedded data, and all you do is call it in lowercase ID, like so, and that's it. And click off there, and it'll be there, and then you just click save flow, and that's saved up. And then it says I need to publish it, so I'm just going to do that. It says my survey's fair as always. Qualtrics, I'll publish. And that should be it. You should be ready to go. And then once you've done that, email the Edith Cowan psych academic who's managing Sonar and let them know that you've set it up and ask them to test it to check that your auto credit is working or not. Okay, good luck. Thanks. Bye.